What is up this year? LA in a minute, and an incredible discovery has been made at a local high school. A bed of fossils dating back 9 million years was uncovered beneath San Pedro High. We're talking the largest shark that ever lived, saber-toothed salmon, an insight into an era when LA was completely underwater. Let's get into it. San Pedro High School, which is in the midst of construction and renovation, was the site of a discovery of nearly unprecedented proportions. During the renovation, some limestone rocks excavated from beneath the high school were found to be 8.7 million years old. Turns out that those rocks had something called diatomite, a sedimentary rock composed of the fossilized skeletal remains of single-celled aquatic algae. And that diatomite helped preserve those fossils, which indicated a rich ecosystem comprising various marine creatures right there under San Pedro High School. Some of those finds included teeth from megalodon, the largest shark to ever live, as well as fossils from sea turtles, whales, dolphin, clams, and the saber-toothed salmon. Now, San Pedro High School opened in 1903, but moved to the current campus location in 1937 at the southern tip of the Palos Verdes Peninsula, which, for millions of years, most of LA's geological history, the entire area was underwater. Now, San Pedro High School's campus has been under construction since 2021, and the first find was in June of 2022, and the fossil discoveries continued through July of this year. The majority of the fossils were relocated to Cal State Channel Islands and the LA County Museum of Natural History for more research. But the discovery has sent shockwaves throughout the local community and the rest of Los Angeles as we continue to learn and get a complete picture of our history. I want to thank Mariana Dale of LAist for excellent reporting on this story, as well as Jira Dang of the LA Times. And while the work on the new gleaming campus in San Pedro looks beautiful in 2024, it's worth noting that this is hallowed ground for Los Angeles history, going back at least 9 million years. All right, LA, it's been a minute.